We are just a little closer to learning the fate of Mark Sievers, with the sentencing process set to begin today.
It was just last week a jury found him guilty of planning the murder of his wife, Dr. Teresa Sievers, back in 2015. Let's get right to Jessica Alpern. She is live outside the Lee County Courthouse with a preview of what this penalty phase is going to look like. Jessica.
That's right, Chris. So later this morning, we will see the same jury who convicted Mark Sievers of first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder return back here to the Lee County Courthouse, where they will begin to decide his fate. Now, two punishments are on the table for Mark Sievers. We could see him get the death penalty or life in prison without parole. For Sievers to be sentenced to death, all 12 jurors will have to unanimously agree. We spoke with legal expert Pam C. on the likelihood of Sievers getting the death penalty and what the jury will consider when entering the penalty phase today.
What was it that made this such an egregious, an egregious crime? Well, part of that is we've got a husband and wife. That should be the biggest part of trust that you could ever have with another person. And he breached that trust. So right there, that is one of the most aggravating circumstances you can find. And the fact that he planned it out, he planned it with his best friend, and the steps that he took afterwards to cover his steps, all of these things show a depraved mind.
And one of Sievers' conspirators, Jimmy Rogers, will also be sentenced this week. Rogers, as you may recall, was convicted of second-degree murder. His sentencing will be set for Thursday. For now, we're live outside of the Lee County Courthouse. Jessica Alpern, Fox 4, in your corner.